and welcome, my dear students of ICSE Class 10. This is question number 22 of the Competency Series. Now, this is a very important concept-oriented, competency-based question, assertion reasoning question from the topic uniform linear motion and uniform circular motion, which is a very important part from the first chapter of physics. So let's read the assertion, let's read the reason, and let us decide which option is correct. Assertion says, a body in uniform linear motion has zero acceleration. Now let us understand what is the meaning of uniform linear motion. The word uniform means that the speed of the body is constant. Speed is constant. The word linear motion means that the body is moving in a straight line path. So something of this kind, where the body is moving in a straight path with constant speed. How do we know that this is constant speed? Because the word uniform itself tells that the speed of the body is constant, and linear also tells us that this body is moving in a straight path, means it's moving in a particular direction. The direction also is not changing, speed is also not changing. Speed is constant because it's uniform motion, and since it's linear motion, the direction is also constant. So both the speed and direction is constant, which means the velocity is constant. So definitely in such a case where the speed and direction is not changing of the body, then it has zero acceleration. So this assertion is absolutely true. In uniform linear motion, there is no acceleration because the speed, which is the magnitude of velocity, and the direction of the body, that both of them are constant. So in this case, the body has zero acceleration. So this assertion is true. Now, what is the reason? The reason is, what does it say in the question? It says its speed remains constant. Now, its speed remains constant. This is a true statement. Of course, we just saw that the speed in a uniform linear motion, the speed is constant. Also, what? The direction is constant because the body is moving in a fixed direction, in one direction. Both are constant. So this statement is true. But is this reason the correct explanation of the assertion? Does this reason correctly explain the assertion? Think. The assertion says the body has zero acceleration when it is moving in, when it is showing uniform linear motion. So when it is exhibiting uniform linear motion, the body has zero acceleration. Why does it have zero acceleration? Because its speed and direction both are constant. So not only speed and direction both are constant, which also you can say because the velocity is constant. So here, if the word would have been velocity instead of speed, then this reason would have been the correct explanation of the assertion. Because yes, velocity is constant means there is no acceleration. Then this reason would have been the correct explanation of the assertion. But since it's only speed, there's no mention about direction. That means, although the statement is true, this is not the correct explanation of the assertion. That means which option will be the correct answer? Both are true, but reason R is not correct explanation of the assertion. Are you getting the point? Understood? So if you have understood and you have enjoyed this question, make sure to press the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. Let me also tell you that this was question number 22 of the competency series, and we have done 21 questions before this. If you have not watched them, do check the link in the description box of this video now itself. Take care, God bless you, and see you all in the next video.